Okay, in this example, example 3 from page 92, we're determining a trig ratio. We're given one, we're given the cos value, and we're also told that it's in quadrant 3. It's important that they tell us that it's in quadrant 3 because with a negative cos value, you know that your angle could be in either quadrant 2 or 3, right? Because cos is positive in the first and fourth quadrants, and it's negative in the second and third. So we're looking in the third quadrant. Okay, so just draw a nice little sketch. Okay, you got your x and your y axis. You know that cos theta is equal to um, x over r. Okay, so that's going to give you a triangle with your x value is going to be -3. Obviously, the negative sign in a cos function has to come from the x. It can't come from the r because the r is always positive. Okay, r is going to be equal to 4. Okay, so x is -3, r is 4. Okay, so if we want to use sine, we're going to need y over r, and if we want to find tan, we're also going to need y over r. Okay, and so what we need to do then is we're just going to use our Pythagorean theorem, and we're going to find out what the y value is, obviously, because we need it for both of these functions. Okay, so we know that r squared equals x squared plus y squared. All right, and so it's going to be 4 squared equals -3 in brackets, of course, squared plus y squared, 16 and 9. Okay, subtract 9 from both sides. Get 7 equals y squared. And now remember this one, okay, when we were taking the square root of both sides to find r, we didn't have to worry about the positive and the negative square root, right? But now we do, okay? Our answer from our equation is plus or minus the square root of 7. And so we're looking for one of these. And because we're in the third quadrant, we're looking for a negative y value. Okay, so our y value is going to be -√7. Okay, so you have to remember you're not always going to get a positive root from this kind of thing. Okay, you have to look at what quadrant you're in. All right, now to find sine theta equals y over r, we just have to put that y value in there. √7 over, or -√7 over 4 is our sine. And this is y over x. I'm sorry that I had a mistake there. Tan theta equals y over x. Hopefully you caught that. -√7 over -3, or √7 over 3. Okay, so yeah, it's fairly simple to do, I guess, because you just need to use that Pythagorean theorem to find your missing length.